Max, a curious golden retriever, loved exploring the vast desert near his home. One evening he caught an unusual scent and started digging feverishly. His paws struck something hard, a smooth glowing rock unlike anything he'd ever seen. Max's owner Jake rushed over, eyes widening. "That's a meteorite," Jake gasped. Scientists later confirmed it was from deep space over 1 million years old. Max became a local hero with news crews capturing his wagging tail and proud stance. But to Max it was just another great day of digging, proving once again that dogs truly have a nose for adventure.